मोगाचो येवकार हांव मनीषा जाधव. सुरवेक पळोवयाच्यो हेडलायन्स. आयतार मेरेन राज्यात वाडयलो येल्लो अलर्ट. गडगड आनी विजेच्या सांगातान कांय सुवातांनी पावस पडपाची शक्यताय दिल्या हवामान विभागान. एका दादल्याची सापडली कूड. ताळगाव बोरभाटातली घडणूक. फ्रँकलिन दासाक मरण. पुलिसांचो फुडलो तपास चालू. दाबोळी विमानतळावयल्या धावपट्टीची लायट चलनाशिल्ल्यान बिरेस्तारा रातीकडेन जाली बरीच खवदळ. 2 विमानां धाडली मोपा विमानतळार. प्रवाशांक सोंसचे पडले हाल. आनी आतां आयच्यो कोंकणी खबरो विस्तारान. ताळगाव बोरभाटात रेंटाच्या फ्लॅटात एका दादल्याची कूड सापडली. मरण आयिल्ल्याचे नाव फ्रँकलिन दास. तो मूळ तामिळनाडूचो. पुलीस फुडलो तपास करतात.
कूड सापडली ताळगाव फ्लॅटांत. पिडेस्त मूळ तामिळनाडूचो. पुलिसांचो चल्ला तपास. ताळगाव बोरभाटातली घडणूक. गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो, गौतमी गांवकार आनी मुझेफ शेख.
गोवा केना वतीन 12 ते 18 मे मजगती 8th UN ग्लोबल रोड सेफ्टी वीक चालू आसा. रस्तो सुरक्षेविशीं जागरूकताय करपाच्या हेतान तांणी हे पावल उबारला.
फुटपाथाचेर चलप्यांक जावपी समस्येंचेर गोवा कॅन वांगड्यांनी बोट दवरले. आपूण जिल्लोधिकारी आनी अधिकाऱ्याक पत्र बरयतलो अशें तांणी सांगले.
Global Road Safety Week started on the 12th and will finish on the 18th. So part of that week we are doing activities in various towns of Goa. Today we are here in Ponda and we are joined by the traffic police, by the Directorate of Transport and the local police, that's the district police officers here, and Goa Can volunteers. So now we are going to do an action by walking on the pavements, because the theme of the 8th UN Global Road Safety Week is that pedestrians need to have a safe way to walk, and that is the pavements. So the pavements are being encroached, so we are just going to take a walk and see that the pavements are free for pedestrians to walk, and also the cyclists need to be safe. We will be writing whatever we have noticed in all of our actions now this week. We will be making a report and giving it to the collector to take the appropriate action or approach the appropriate authorities who will take.
For the pedestrians to walk.
Yeah.
So obviously they'll come on the road and it will give rise to accidents. People will die. So we have to wake up and make a solution, make some proper planning. It needs the proper planning where you have to have a right of way of the road has to be respected, where it indicates the carriage width of the road, and then service corridor and pedestrian walking and everything. It has to be done as per the plan and details available with the town and country planning department. It has to be enforced.
But now we are saying that there is no road, no way to pedestrian.
Yeah. So we have to replan this road, redesign it with these provisions made for the pedestrian walking, for the pedestrian, for the service corridor, and the carriage width of the road. The carriage width will be used only for vehicles, not for services, so that vehicles can move smoothly and happily. Whereas the service corridor and the pavement will be used for the pedestrians and the services without any trouble for anybody. Right now it is all a mess.
जागतिक रस्तो सुरक्षा सप्तकाचो एक भाग म्हण पणजेच्या KTC बस स्टँडा सावन रस्तो सुरक्षा जागृताय सुरू जाली. लोकांक जावपी त्रासांचेर रोलंड मार्टिन्सान बोट दवरत तिडक उक्तायली.
As part of the 8th United Nations Global Road Safety Week, every day we have been taking up one campaign related issue, and since the focus is on pedestrians, from the 12th we had started where we were covering all the pavement encroachments. That was on Monday. On Tuesday there was a program on traffic wardens. Yesterday we were at MAPSA looking at the pavements, looking at the parking at the bus stand, etc. And today we are back again in Panjim. So we started at Miramar Circle. We started at the bus stand in Panjim, and a number of bikes which are parked in unauthorized areas, especially where people are supposed to walk, especially where the entry and exit of buses. We have found two-wheelers being parked. So today the challenging was done, And now we then went to Miramar, and it was shocking to see the state of affairs at Miramar Circle. There boards are not put for signages, where signage for the tourists and the locals where they should park. And near the bus stop, I've noticed a big crater sort of thing. They have opened it, no barricading, nothing. So basically, you can see the care of officials, whatever agency they may be, to the pedestrians is very, very minimal. And now we are here, you can see at their market, ESG and Dempo House, where you can see there's a bus bay. The buses, private and Kadamba, are supposed to go in the bus bay and allow the passengers to park. But there's a competition going on. And instead of going in the bus bay, they are coming on the main road, blocking the thing and forcing the people to board the bus by coming on the main road. So these are the issues that we are highlighting today. Tomorrow there will be a meeting at CCP with regards pay parking. I will definitely raise this matter. We will make a preliminary report and submit to the collector of what we are noticing and where the corrective measures should be there. What we are saying at all these bus stops, there should be a little board which gives a WhatsApp number, email ID by that agency so that people can give feedback. I am not expecting a nodal officer to sit 24 hours of the day here. But when I see a violation, I should be able, as a passenger, as a pedestrian, as a consumer, be able to quickly give feedback to the agencies. Today morning also I was at KTC bus stand. You can see the information counter of tourism department is shut. The address of the tourism department, Government of India, is wrong. They are still showing it as the address as Comunidad building. So this is very unfair on the consumer and on the pedestrians. See, when they come into Panjim, they would like to get authentic information, correct information, and I think it doesn't cost much money. Tourism department is spending so much money going all over the world, but basically these small things they are not attending. And I had filed a complaint. They just replied to me, oh, we are paying rent. Paying rent to a information office is not the point. You keep it close, at least put a notice there, who to contact. Just one small little piece of paper there saying the contact landline number. So I think this is a wake-up call for all the agencies.
गोवा 365 खातीर कृष्णा नाईक, मनीषा जाधव आणि भक्तीपय बाळगी.
घेऊ एक लहानसो विसव. विसवा उपरांत परतून एकदा येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. दाबोळे विमानतळा वयल्या धावपट्टीची लायट चलनाशिल्ल्यान बिरेस्तारा राती कडेन बरीच खवदळ जाली. 2 विमानां मोपा विमानतळार धाडली. शेवटाक हो लायटीचो विशय सोडयलो आनी सेवा जाग्यार घातली. पूण हे प्रक्रियेत प्रवाशांक त्रास सोंसचे पडले.
दाबोळच्या गोय आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळा वयल्या रनवे लायटीन टेक्निकल समस्येक लागून जाल्ल्या चेन्नय आणि दिल्ली सावन येवपी इंडिगोची 2 विमानां मोपा विमानतळा कडेन वळयली. धावपट्टी लायटीचो प्रस्न सुटावो जाला. गोय आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळाचेर विमानां परतून सुरू जाल्यात. पूण प्रवाशांक हे घडणुकेक लागून बरोच त्रास सोंसचो पडलो.
आमी आयज दिल्लीच्यान संक भायर सरल्या इंडिगो फ्लायटान जी दाबोळी एअरपोर्टाक 8 दिसांक देंवपाची आसली. पूण दाबोळी एअरपोर्टाच्या रनवेचेर लायटी कितें तरी बिगाड जाल्या म्हणून आमकां हांगासर मोपा एअरपोर्टाचेर देंवयला त्या इंडिगो फ्लायटीन. अजून देवूंक ना आमी. म्हाका दिसता रातची 9:15 जाल्ली आसा. अजून कांय क्लियर ना की परत आमकां दाबोळी व्हरतले काय ना म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता तेंच्यांनी परत आमकां दाबोळी व्हरूंक जाय, कित्याक आतां कळटा की लायटी थंय चालू जाल्या म्हणून. नाजाल्यार जर मोपा देंवलें जाल्यार जे दाबोळीन दिवपी लोक आसले आपल्या प्लॅनिंग प्रमाणे ते दाबोळी कशे वयतले, कित्याक हांगाच्यान जो टॅक्सी फेर बी आहा तो सगळो भर जातलो. त्या खातीर तेंच्यांनी आमकां परत म्हाका दिसता दाबोळी एअरपोर्टाचेर व्हरूंक जाय जर लायटी सुरू जाल्ली आसा.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.
तुये पेडणे श्री सटी देवी महालक्ष्मी देवीचो दुसरो वर्धापन दीस जालो. कितल्याश्योच धार्मिक आणि सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी बरेच नेटान रंगल्यो. पळयात काय भक्तिमय खीण.
गेली सतत आता हे दुसरे वरस आमचे वर्धापन दिनाचे आणि हांगासर हजारो भाविक येवन ह्या देवीचे दर्शन घेतात. तर त्याचप्रमाणे आयज आमचो दुर्जोत्सव चालू आसा आणि त्या दुर्जोत्सवाक महिला वर्गांचो उत्स्फूर्त असो प्रतिसाद लाभलेलो आसा. प्रत्येक हे ग्रामस्थ जे आसात ते आपली सेवा ह्या देवस्थानात अर्पण केल्ली करतात आणि हे उत्सव जो हो आसा हो गेले 3 दिवस सतत चालू आसलो आणि आयचो तेचो हे शेवटचो दिवस आसा.
गोवा 365 खातीर गौतमी गांवकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.
घेऊया एक ल्हानसो विसव. आयतार मेरेन राज्यात येल्लो अलर्ट वाडयला. गडगड आणि विजेच्या सांगातान कांय सुवातांनी पावस पडपाची शक्यताय हवामान विभागान दिला.
पावस पडटलो पूण उष्णतायेंतल्यान विसव मेळचो ना. राज्यांत आयतार मेरेन येल्लो अलर्ट दिला. सकाळी दमट परिस्थिती आसतली. दनपारां खर उष्णताय जाणवतली. कांय सुवातांनी गडगड घालत पावस पडपाची शक्यताय आसा. आयचे चडावत आणि उणे तापमान 35 ते 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस मजगती आसतले. पावसाची शक्यताय. पावसाक गडगड आणि विजेचो सांगात. कांय सुवातांनी घळटले खर वारे. आयतार मेरेन येल्लो अलर्ट. दमट परिस्थिती. उष्णतायेंत वाड. भलायकेची जतनाय घेवपाचो सल्लो. आयचे तापमान 35 ते 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.
आणि आयचे हे कोकणी खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. मेळया फाल्यां ह्याच वेळार पळोवपाक गोवा 365 मोगासचो.